Welcome to the world of Surprise Me Bar Truck. Get ready for a journey where a unique bar experience is brought directly to you. Imagine this, a bar truck that delivers interactive cocktails and gourmet bites right to your doorstep. Sounds amazing, right? Meet Surprise Me, a one-of-a-kind bar truck that's about to hit the road across Europe. Here's the twist. You get to design your own drinks with our expert mixologists, paired with food inspired by Argentine and Italian flavors. We're traveling to iconic cities, festivals, and events, bringing unforgettable flavors and creativity to the streets. Support us on Kickstarter and join the Surprise Me adventure. The journey starts with you. Link in bio to back us now.